Hello and welcome to the product demo interactive touchscreen kiosk with inbuilt 43-inch Samsung Signage display with with IR multi-touch screen with inbuilt toughened glass and Android CPU. You can see the kiosk is very elegant. The whole frame is black in color. This comes with an inbuilt touchscreen. This is a 5 mm toughened glass, Saint Gobain toughened glass in front of the Samsung display. The Samsung display comes with 3 years warranty. It's very sharp, high definition and 4K resolution. I'll show you the resolution of this. Here we go, screen resolution 4K, 2K at 60 Hz and HDR. So very sharp display and quite bright. Looks amazing. And the touch is extremely smooth. This toughened glass is 5 mm and heavy duty and comes with inbuilt Android 11 operating system. This is a Play Store application. For example, I want to install say WhatsApp on this. This is an inbuilt virtual keyboard. So WhatsApp, I can install WhatsApp. See, I click on install. It comes with inbuilt dual band Wi-Fi and external LAN port. So here you are able to see that we are installing WhatsApp. You can install anything which is available on your phone, like PDF reader, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Full-fledged Google certified Play Store on this machine. It comes with inbuilt file manager, it comes with navigation bar, keyboard, media player, YouTube, and you can increase, decrease volume also. And suppose for example I start Candy Crush, you can install any application. Looks amazing. Candy Crush looks amazing on 4K. 4K screen. Touch is extremely smooth and volume is really high. Okay, so we exited Candy Crush. You also have inbuilt YouTube. You see how smooth the screen is, how quick the loading is, and extra bright, extra sharp screen because it's 4K resolution. So this is like your mobile phone in 4K. You can install external application. You can connect pen drive from the back side. I'll show you the back side as well. And you can install any apps and run any apps. So here is the Android CPU. It will show you the current time. This is the 3-meter power cable along with the machine, power switch and external LAN port. You can directly connect your LAN from here. As I said, right now it's connected on inbuilt Wi-Fi. If you check out the back side of the machine, this is the back side. There are 3 locks. We will provide you a special key along with the machine. You can unlock these 3 locks using a single key, which we will give you. So this is an Android based touch kiosk. So this is the Android computer, LAN port, HDMI, touch cable, everything, Android adapter and your TV power supply. You can also have a Windows computer here, same machine. Windows can be fitted, and you can check. This is a dust proof machine, rubber gasketing, very elegant and proper wiring done. inside the machine. And this is the Samsung display. A lot of connectivity available here, HDMI, multiple HDMI ports, and as we saw, high definition speakers as well. And this is very strongly fitted with the frame. So it's a very robust product meant for public use and exhibitions. Hope you like our product, and thank you for watching.